If I had to start my online business all over again today, there are three things that I would do completely different. Why? Because I made mistakes, big ones, that cost me my time, money, and energy. But those same lessons are also what helped me turn everything around and build an online income that now pays me over $80,000 a month. Like, honestly, some of these lessons might actually surprise you because what everyone tells you to do online isn't always what actually works. So, in this video, I'm breaking down the three changes that I'd make right away if I had to start from scratch today and how they can save years of frustration. If we haven't met yet, hey, my name's Wendy. I am a 56-year-old glammy from Ontario, Canada, and I help fellow midlifers to say goodbye to the 9 to 5 grind and hello to freedom, flip flops, and campfires by building flexible online income streams that they can run straight from their phone. Here's the truth, I didn't get here overnight. I lost more money than I'd like in programs that didn't work for me. I wasted years on trial and error, and I had plenty of moments where I wanted to actually quit. But I stuck with it, and now I get to help others to shortcut that process. Now, before we dive in, I want you to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's in the description below. It's completely free, and it shows you the exact roadmap that I use to build multiple income streams of online income. All right, let's dive into it. The three things that I would do differently if I were starting over today. Lesson one, don't confuse expensive with effective. Now, when I first started, I was a little naive. I thought that if I spend more, I'll make more. So I invested in a very expensive program. I'm embarrassed to say, but it was over $10,000. At first, I was really excited, very nervous. And I asked my husband, he got a big bonus from work one Christmas. And I said, let's take that money and invest in me, honey. Like, I will pay it off. I'll make money online. It'll change our lives. And I honestly believed it would. Now, the business model itself worked for some people, but here's the kicker. After 3 years of monthly, and I had to do advertising costs, yearly product renewals, like I was still upside down financially. Now, the longer I was in it, the more I realized that my belief in that business wasn't aligned anymore. And when you lose belief in what you're doing, your actions follow. So here's what I wish I knew then from today's experience and knowledge. Like, a business model can work on paper, but if it doesn't align with your core values or your lifestyle, it won't work for you. And here's another thing that I realized, like, if I hadn't tried those other things, I wouldn't have had anything to compare anything to. Like, that experience gave me a lens. So when I finally found the right program, I knew instantly that this was it. All right, so here's a question for you. Have you ever invested in something that really didn't align with you or didn't work for you? I'd love to hear your story. So even if you've tried things in the past that didn't work, those experiences weren't wasted. They're preparing you to recognize what does. So lesson number two, you don't need to spend a fortune to start making money online. After walking away from that $10,000 program, the biggest lesson I learned was this, that you don't need to spend a fortune to build an online business. You see, for the longest time, I believed that success meant making these huge, scary investments. That if I wasn't dropping thousands and thousands of dollars up front, then I wasn't serious enough. But that simply is not true. Yes, investing in yourself matters, and I truly believe education tools and mentorship are what give you a shortcut, but you don't need to go broke to do it. And I never recommend that. You can start very, very lean. So, for example, the program I use today has 4 different entry points. I personally started at the top tier, which is $900. And that gave me access to all 4 levels with a value of $1,900 in resale value. So that meant I could start immediately with a done for you program that I could share and earn 100% profit from. Now, not everybody can jump in at that level, and I get that, and that's okay. Some people start at the 100 tier, others the 300 or 600. The point is that you have options. Let me just say that this flexibility is a total game changer. Like that $10,000 that I sunk my money into before this program, this makes it so much more accessible. So no matter your budget, you can start. You can learn the ropes and begin generating income without putting yourself in a financial bind. Like, I wish I had known that this type of option was out there sooner. Instead of draining our savings, I could have started this with a lot less of an investment and a proven business model, built up my confidence, and then really scaled when I was ready. I have a free class that really explains how this business model works in greater detail. So I would recommend watching that, learn all about it, and just see if it's a good fit for you. You can find the link for that in the description below. So, lesson three, I would definitely build with automation. If I had to start over, this would be a non negotiable. So, when I started on TikTok, I did really well. I made multiple six figures, but here's the catch, I was tied to my phone 24/7. So, when you were doing a TikTok video, the whole idea is to build engagement. So you had to say to people, so put yes below in the comments if you want to learn more. So then you had to manually send them information. It's the same thing with Instagram, unless you use a paid for auto bot that will reply like ManyChat. So if you don't, then you're stuck answering comments all day. And let me tell you, that is not freedom, my friend. That is another full time job. Now compare that with YouTube. You post one video a week. That video keeps working for you months and even sometimes years later. And YouTube itself pays you once you get monetized, like meaning it becomes an income stream for you all on its own. So today, YouTube pays me every single month, like all while my videos educate people about business strategies and point them to my automated systems. It's the true definition of working smarter, not harder. And here's the win win. While YouTube is sending me reoccurring income, my email automation system is working in the background, nurturing leads, building trust, and making sales on my behalf. So if you want long term freedom, you need automation built in right from the beginning. And YouTube is where I'd start if I had to do it all over again. So if you want the exact steps that I used, you're going to want to download the Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. It really lays out the whole automated system that runs everything while you're out there living life. If you want to learn how to get started on YouTube, I have a complete YouTube training. You can grab my YouTube Success Kit, which is in the description below as well. It'll teach you my exact strategies for growing my YouTube channel and getting monetized. So there you have it, the three things that I would do completely different if I was to start an online business over today. So don't confuse expensive with effective. And you do not need to spend a fortune to get started. And you can build with automation from day one. So learn from my mistakes. Don't waste years or thousands and thousands of dollars like I did. You can start lean, smart, and aligned and build your way to real freedom. Don't forget to grab that Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's in the description below. It's free. It's the same roadmap that I used to go from losing money to now making over $80,000 a month. So now that you know what I would do differently if I was to get started today, you're going to want to have a little watch of this video right here, where I show you exactly how I use these strategies to retire myself at 55 and build multiple six-figure income streams online. Click right here, and I'll meet you over there, my friend.